Q, that is set of all rational number, also has an order structure. The set Q also has an ordered structure less than or equal to satisfying first one I am going to write the property as O1, the first letter of the word order, means the set of all rational number satisfying some order means we can compare any two real number and we can say which one is smaller and which one is a larger number. O1. Now given A and B, then either A is less than or equal to B or B is, if I take any two real number, one is A, another one is B, I can directly say in the set of all rational number A is less than or equal to B or B is less than or equal to E. Either A is less than or equal to B or B is less than or equal to A. Second property, O2. If A is less than or equal to B and B is less than or equal to A, then if I say that A is less than or equal to B and B is also less than or equal to A, it is possible only if A and B both are equal. Now the third one, if A is less than or equal to B and B is less than or equal to C, A is less than or equal to B, B is less than or equal to C, then A is less than or equal to C. Fourth one, if A is less than or equal to B, then if I add both sides with a number from set of all rational number, again it become A plus C is less than or equal to B plus C. Fifth one, if A is less than or equal to B and 0 is less than or equal to C, then A is less than or equal to B, C is greater than or equal to 0, means C is not a negative, maybe 0 or greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it can take a positive. If I multiply both sides with a positive number, non-negative number, inequality does not change us. So what we will get? AC is less than or equal to BC. Thus the property number O3, this one, A is less than or equal to B, B is less than or equal to C, then A is less than or equal to C. This property is said to be transitive property. Is called transitive law. A field with an ordering satisfying properties O1 through O5 is called an ordered field. Any field with an ordering structure, we can say ordering structure satisfying these 5 properties, then that field is said to be ordered field. Now till now we have discussed set of all rational numbers, real numbers and complex numbers are field. Now out of these 3, set of all complex number is not an ordered field, because two complex number we cannot compare, which is smaller and which is larger. therefore it is not an ordered field. Now set of all rational numbers and set of all real numbers both are ordered field. Absolute value of any real number. Next definition. Absolute value of any real number A. Absolute value of any real number A. We define absolute value of A. We define modulus of A is equal to A if A is greater than or equal to 0 minus A if A is less than or equal to 0. Here modulus of A is called absolute value of A. Absolute value of A. For example, modulus of 5.1. Since 5.1 in place of A we have 5.1. So since 5.1 is greater than 0, therefore modulus of A is A, that is 5.1. Modulus of minus 3.9. In place of A we have minus 3.9. Minus 3.9 is less than 0, so its answer is minus A, that is minus of minus 3.9, it becomes 3.9. Now modulus of X. Since here X is a variable, I don't know whether it is positive or negative. In that case I will write plus or minus X. If we know what is the X value, whether it is positive or negative, according to that we will write either A or minus A. But if you don't know, if we are removing a modulus, then we will write plus or minus X. Next definition. For numbers A and B, we define distance between A comma B is equal to absolute value of A minus B. Distance between A comma B is equal to modulus of A minus B, where distance between A comma B represents the distance between A and B. Properties on absolute values. First property, absolute value of any real number is always non-negative, is always greater than or equal to 0 for all A belongs to set of all real number. Second one, modulus of AB can be written as modulus of A into modulus of B for all A comma B belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R. Third one, modulus of A plus B is less than or equal to modulus of A plus modulus of B for all A comma B belongs to R. This property is known as triangular inequality, and this is the important property we are going to use lot of times. Now, fourth one, modulus of A minus modulus of B is less than or equal to modulus of A minus B for all A comma B belongs to R. This is also an important property. Now, fifth one, modulus of A minus B. Modulus of A minus B is less than or equal to modulus of A plus modulus of B for all A comma B belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R. Now, sixth property, modulus of B is less than or equal to A, then we can say if and only if I remove the modulus, since I don't know whether a is positive or negative, so if I remove the modulus, it will become plus or minus a. In this case, this one can be written as minus b less than or minus a less than or equal to b less than or equal to a, less than or equal to a. Next, seventh property, modulus of a minus b less than c if and only if. Again, if I remove the modulus, again from the above I will get minus c less than a minus b less than c. Now if I add b to here, it will become b minus c less than a less than b plus c. These are the properties of the modulus which we are going to use in the first unit, second unit, third unit, as well as in the fourth unit. Or this is the important property, this one, this one, this one, this one. All these properties we are going to use in the upcoming chapters.